Go bed. My girl, go wash yourself now, my girl, man. You smell like steel cup.
Guys, it's your girl, Dickie Boo, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna prank my aunt. So from when you see me, I whisper and I'm say, shit, I'm about to get real. I'm nervous. Yeah, I'm gonna do the sardine prank. So I'm gonna throw the sardine in a pan. So, I have one. We're on a fresh, Lord Jesus. Damn, that's so much sardine and put in a man can nowadays. That's you. See it, guys? And the one in the aisle. So guess what? Your girl not gonna put on no clothes when she knows that she wants. See it? Moly. Yep. Oh, it's kind of leak. You. So, my aunt, she is allergic to fish. So, I pray to God say, no, not to her in this prank. Guys, it's about to get epic, guys. I beg you now for spam the comment team. Thank you. Guys, let me tell you now how to now. So, me and I really want a video, right? And I want to bathroom and go to the bathroom, put the sardine back me, and then come back out. So she have to leave, say a pee in my pee and it smells. So she have to believe say a pee in my pee and it smells. It's the sardine, so yeah, I'ma just be it. She have to say, oh, it's a ring. I'ma just be it. I never smell so yeah, so something must wrong. Today's post notification shout out goes out to COLEEN French. Big up yourself for commenting on my video as usual. Thank you. And I want to give a shout out to Cresha Bless. Make sure y'all go check her channel out. Check out a cup of tea's channel and also the Literary Witch. All the channels will be down in the description below. I will also pin them in the comment section. So the first comment when I see pin with those channels. Make sure y'all check those channels out. Make sure I say so and let them know that who sent you, Dickie Boo sent you. So guys, today, as you can tell by the title, it's another discussion with my aunt. Yes, we're gonna do another discussion. Oh, so you know yet? Right now she's in the yeah. I'm ready.
Yeah, what my face was up there easy.
Yes. We're gonna do a discussion. Yeah. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so that you can be notified when I drop a post and you can be a lucky person to get a free shout out. I mean, yes. Oh, and also go over my Instagram at DickieBoo_87_ and also DickieBoo_motivations with a Z. And check out my motivational channel like this, Dickie Boo Motivations with a Z. All the links in the description below. 3 hours later and this lady not coming to the table.
We can get the vegetable, please.
What, you ever eat? Ever really eat right now? She greedy. Mad woman. She don't want her face to show in the camera now.
May I eat?
So what? You have shame?
My girl, just easy man. Pass the pear.
What's she talking tonight?
Pass the vegetable.
Anyways, before I was rudely interrupted, come, hold on, now use the bathroom. Come, sorry. Oh. Alright.
Come on, you need to find food. Pass the vegetable, give me the man then.
Right. What are we talking about today now?
What for something?
What is for something? Alright, maybe I watch, you know, Dre, Shen and Dre. I was watching Dre's live today. It was talking about COVID-19. About the curfew or them.
Oh, one knife, girl, cut me here. Can I cut here with Anne?
Oh, them change the curfew.
No, got problem.
And but people lose job and stuff like that.
Tell it to a government that cares.
Yeah, but you don't have a problem. But I have a problem if you really look on that old top long time. But at the end of the day, there are people who depend on jobs that are at that old. Somebody comment say they were getting 5 grand a day or 2.5 them a day because I curfew.
Because it's not because of the curfew.
Mama said it's not open. So I don't know.
Okay, now let me tell you this. White people here. Why me can't say, oh, me because it's a spoon me I use because I'm really hungry.
You're really hungry?
Mm-hmm.
Or if I eat. Nothing up here now?
Oh, excuse me, speaking and eating.
You want to see how it feels. Anyway.
Mm-hmm. Well,
Vegetables should left for me eat. You not to make.
yeah, we're going. One, I understand to the Prime Minister that try please some people. The party industry and all of them crap they were them talk about. But I see so the education factor should have become first, and if they own the country should have expect this. So, bro God.
Oh, we're not talking to bro God right now.
A bro God me talk to.
Okay, bro God.
Mm-hmm.
What name son?
It's sad.
It's sad say what? You know what them bro God? Who them call bro God?
Who them castle?
You must say man. Andrew. Oh, can't eat man.
Mm-hmm. Even the underground God, and them are spreading in Jamaica. You know what the underground?
You?
Minister of Health. What name? Tifton?
Stop.
Mm-hmm.
Tifton. Tiffy. Mm-mm. 3 hours later.
The honorable Tifton.
Mr. Mel in the bathroom. Coming.
That's your business.
Yeah. Don't get out to me there now.
Can't hear what ground.
Wait, me I come. Tell us one people long time.
Ah! I must not multi the one. So. Me can't understand this.
One tap, me say.
Go wash your hand.
Me not people here.
I can't understand. Is oh, the underground God did expect say it will reach skyrocket so when the hospital is the main contributor for spraying it. Big up to the staff of the hospitals. You know about no other one, but I have to give my top props to KPH. Them I try under a lot of circumstances. Doctors are pressured and nurses are pressured, and it makes the staff that works with them, some of them still manage to maintain that just love for the job under the circumstances. So I have to rate them. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Cow. If you have a room and 10 persons come with fever and cough, and you put them in some room on a clean so they have screens, for 3 days, because now when you take the test and you have nothing there. No machine that they have to wait 3 days, so 3 days you must get infected, because you know with 10 persons. With 9 other persons, like half. Me never have it. We gotta face something else, but for to cause as a claim. So when you put them people in the room now and them get infected. Oh. That's the time I eat. Won't think about me. Come on.
Okay, so what were we talking about?
Take the camera to face my eat. Right. As I was saying, because right now my fair use sugar. Can't afford people for success enough. Anything I left from now, everything I left from the right hand for now. So, when there's no machine to test at the hospitals, everybody will come with a car. Then I buy room. And guess what? If one person have it to infect 9 others. Now me left with an automated decision come to the hospital and end up with COVID. Me still a wonder what they all like that. You understand what I'm saying? Sheets. Them not have enough sheets for bed. No man, there's something there. I'm something to stay away. No, like stay
And they want
away.
to put the old people them back over the ward.
I don't think I got talk about my experience because underground God, as we say.
Underground God.
Yeah, because it's more dopey I create than out of this situation than everything else we can. When they catch it and there were people that catch it and them old and can't manage it or cope with it, we think I'm going to drop out left with the one then me will be grandmother before time and I depend that. Still want to stay here. Stay away.
What were you talking about when I left?
Same thing we make about now the hospital. Not proper.
You have flu?
No, my sinus are drained. Hospital not have proper equipments. Nurses and doctors working under some stressful situation. And when them ask you raise a pay, no. This is what me understand. I think all our doctor and nurses, if you got on MP, our counselor, them something because them can sit down at the table in the office and get some money. And when the doctor them ask you, it is a problem. So I not understand. I say I like, I'm a challenge. This is a challenge shown out to Mr. Tufton and Mr. Andrew Owens. You know, a challenge to dress up one day
Of that mad person?
as a person of the lesser class and go in at the same public health sector but only run and manage and see how they are how them treat you. I think it would have been a big wake up call for sure. They said the doctor is frustrated. When the doctor is frustrated, they bring out frustration in the nurses and everyone's right. Those are the both of them frustrated because they might get up every day and put some 350 pound people, and at the end of the day it's not like them work under some insurance scheme and some pension scheme. They have nothing to get them to work out themselves and there's nothing as benefit for them. So at the end of the day, all you expect people to happy, all on earth, you don't have to understand that. Your man with a real life is the owner man. She can't, you wouldn't take stick, you know, a real run a tweet and medical associate. Them big hospital that them are going to. Them can't. The same poor sector them are create. Them now go there for go in there experience it because the experience that them know is not a they think so them no know. Them well and tell my talk it every day. A country will have a poor health sector and a poor education. Tell me where the upliftment then. Would I like to know?
I would too.
But no. This is something you have to go in grade 1.
What do them?
Make me cry.
Hold on, I want to show this.
You want me to cry? Because some of them never have tablet like how some can't afford it. Then get way back. Pretty well full of spell cat and rat and to spell dog.
Guys, I have Android TV box with remote. Why did I shut off?
No. Right now, Mr. Pitney. Mr. Pitney. If you have their own tablet, I feel at the market that helps sell just eat a bread. What we are going to do? How much one bread?
$400. That's it.
You got shop? Tell me if you got shop.
Yes, I do.
When you have to go shop?
Last night.
When you have to go shop?
Years ago.
No.
Oh, what's last night?
A $4.20 for one bread.
You know what's that word? You know what's that word?
Something smell fishy. I was smell fishy.
No. No. I have food.
What beard?
You're pretty, my beard. No, my beard. So, me not just beard out of beard, you.
No, you're not beard properly for your fish I smell.
You not smell nothing. I thought it was your food.
Father God, you should make me fart. It's not going to be a pretty smell. Alright, go on.
Something smell fishy. What kind of fish? Are you? Well, I say what I waste in the way I want. Eh? Eat, Jody.
Ask me yourself. But the latest that did $400 pound a market.
Oh, how much?
250.
What?
Yum. One day I want you to phone.
Yam? Fully programmed.
Yeah. Back to what we lesson. My herbs. I should do some
Miss
surgery,
Patty?
so one class soda. My bed some gas.
You're not happy.
I'm
You look sexy, girl. What? Talk to guys.
Just like how me tired of my belly for nigga, I just own. Please a napkin, man. Oh God, Lord. That's the way to eat half a boy. I don't want to. No, you can't always have to do this.
Give it some.
Jesus Christ, no.
I want some.
You have to do this upon TV.
On a TV. Well, people will watch it on TV.
Pass piece of that yesterday. Alright now, this is for hygiene. My hands are messy. No, I want the napkin before me.
One action nice?
No, it means hygiene. Hygiene different from anything else. Come on, tear off this something. Yeah, try it. No, Mr. Andrew, over. The private sector.
Look how long with the panel video when not people do nothing.
Alright, I'm not going on.
Well, you were talking still, so.
But I need to build the
Country.
public sector a little better.
The public kind of the public sector, okay.
Starting with the hospitals.
No, starting with when
publicly
we work.
funded.
Starting with me work, start give with this hours, I could come home early and tell the customer them to turn on them yard. Start doing that from now.
So when you do that,
Oh yeah, I get paid.
and the customer then they come, all the money go. And oh, the building.
The one them when I give you money. You not have children? Come here, sweet. Children. Why you laughing at?
No man, you need to do better for the hospital instead. Come here to the I go there and I can see the people them frustrated and it shows in them work. They love it, but trust me, frustration is getting it. It'll get the better under them. You read better and trust me, you need to step it up.
Smell my hand.
No, do it. We just eat. My girl, go wash yourself now, my girl, man. Oh, you know, she's looking me now, my neck.
Not true that. I just something.
That video not come out, bro. It's really need to do over because I know you make more until it's something.
No, I just true then. Are you?
Don't touch it.
This is my hand. Alright, true then. Why are you like this?
I'm gonna play with unhygienic things.
I bathed just now.
I smell.
Stop it. We just bathed.
I smell like when.
Oh, my smell.
Like
It's sweat.
when fish got left past.
No, this is I perfect. No, the aisle. May I use one body aisle?
Stop using. In the name of Jesus, stop using it because if it make you not go in a public use it, people will.
No, it doesn't
No,
smell like.
no, can I serious? No, can I serious note? People will embarrass you if you go out smelling like oh you smell now.
But look how
because you smell like when fish got left out in the sun, wet up, put on paper, wet up, put back in the sun. No,
Just tell me smell fishy, simple.
no, the fishy expression is too much. It passed the fishy status. You smell green. If somebody would just claim to them beard, that not smell right.
Me tell you, say better me never beard.
You need to go to the
Tell you, say better
doctor. No,
me
you
never
need to go to the doctor. So, when a woman smell like that, something is serious wrong. You can't smell like how you
I
smell.
am growing, Judy. I remember say.
No, hold on.
I can't see my period. Honestly. No, I don't put it on. I put it on.
No, cut it, but if you're supposed to be the person with this guy, that one
no, that's not nice.
Because
yeah. I had a face for them.
You see, when hormones stand up on you like when time our children watch a video, I can't tell you.
It's sweat, I'm sweating. You smell fishy too, you know?
Not do it! Don't do it! You know what? You're in this video because this girl want me to lose my mind. Not do it.
You touch me!
Not do it! Hey, don't touch me now. I'm good at it, kid.
You smell.
Brother,
You touch me. Remember, you talk, I touch me. You touch me.
Lekisha. I smell like coconuts. You smell like coconut. You smell like steel. Come.
Children. No, I remember we touch your food and I
not do it. Don't blame. You know what? People, this girl, yes, not do it. No make people feel some can't cook. Don't do it.
What smell like?
It does not.
I mean, not smelling, you know. My
it smell like steel fish. It smell like left out fish. We spoiled. Like it. Not do it. Dekisha, I will stab you.
Alright.
You just eat.
Guys, they're in the video. I'm gonna cut out all of this. They're in the video. We had to stop because Trinidad don't want to. Well, she's not feeling well, so we decided that we're going to cut and then we come back with another video the next time. So peace out. Thank you for watching.
Now let's share to the people. You never done to me of you.
I can put that out. No. I can't cut you out.
People, she lies.
They're not to this, so you can't go and talk like that. What? What happened to you? Okay. So guys, let's do the thumbnail. Come do the thumbnail now. Stop now. Where you the stop now. Come do the thumbnail. Oh, I gotta do it.
No, we're not gonna place the video, so we're gonna redo it over.
Come on.
Wait, no man, we're gonna do.
We're talking about things. Come. What we're gonna do now? Oh no, do a serious face like. You're tired? No, come do this video. Alright, Julian. I have a secret to tell you. Can I tell you?
Let me share our lives. Right now, we all know say cuckoo like Cocoa Pops. See something that Jeff from there catches you. Step on me.
Stop it. Stop it now. Alright, guys. So.
Alright, no, big man team. That's something that go wash it off. Whatever you put on, it not smell good.
It's the body aisle where you give me.
No, Jesus Christ.
You don't know the aisle where you say about $200 fee. That is the body aisle. See how my eye they are shiny.
Stink so? No, I forgot to report the people matter.
I like that. Maybe even
got a walking still fish in a bottle.
Anyways, guys, I don't even know if I'm gonna post this.
Yes, I'm
Should I post this?
Because you'll be going out tell it and make the video just drag out and why if you still like you get back casual again upon the video, I will sit down and have a nice family discussion and we'll talk if we should pick it up. Yes, ma'am.
Are you?
It smell like mom do you.
No, mom do the work. Stop it. Anyways, guys, I'm not sure what I use because she said one bite. And
it's like,
comment, share, and subscribe. Don't stop, not stop properly, but
no,
stop properly.
Dekisha, stop rope, man, for go bed now, man. Man.
It's a prank,
no, man, Dekisha, my mama allergic to fish. I play them something.
Yo, you take so long to smell it.
Smell it long time and I say, I want something smell like.
Oh, but you don't want to share big fat camera.
Just never want to share with my camera. You couldn't wait no more. It smell green like overnight steel.
No, Julian.
It smell like steel cum. Don't touch me, man. I'm allergic to the something, my girl.
I know you're allergic.
Wash out my skin and
steel cum, Julian. Steel. I don't even know that smell, but you would have known still.
Yeah, my expert now.
Anyway. Anyways, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I couldn't catch her still, but she is one of them people that when we smell you, and now we talk say she smell you, you know, because after I say I was smell, so she said she smells something like fish. Like, seriously?
But they are typing up because you say you want the serious video, I just never want this year. Sure. It just meant sure.
I have to make it epic. I have to rub it on her because she wouldn't jump up and like that. Anyways, comment the actual thumbnail. I'm sorry. You see mine over matter because I hardly touch it.
No, I don't play.
Anyways, comment the thumbnail.
Come on, let's take out this.
That's the end of the video, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna keep pranking this lady so she have to be better. Should be aware of it. Come. That's why I pray to God before I do the video. You know, drop down for me because you know you're allergic.
You may have to let them smell something fishy.
I'm saying get over and read. Tell the world saying to pray. You must pray, always pray. If you know is a YouTuber, make sure you pray before you do the video because guess what? Only God alone can bring you through. Everything you do, put God first. Pray, always pray. Alright, I tell them, pray.
Don't pray always, but pray diligently.
Amen. Hallelujah.
Pray and always pray for your neighbors and your enemies.
Yes, and your friends, everybody around you. Even not around you, even those people. Now you are tell people to pray for enemy.
I got the Bible said.
Well, follow the Bible. Never mash off, because this is sentence to come like you want to kill me too. Mom threw there and put sardine for me. That's why I didn't want the sardine the other day. We are talking about mom must drink sardine water. How come I drink sardine water?
I wouldn't know. Put them in the fridge.
You thought I wanted it for that, but I didn't want it for that.
They have distance.
I know.